Yo, was geht up? This is Phil. I'm here in beautiful Budapest, in the Budapest castle. Many tourists here, many people here, good vibes, the sun is shining. And in this video today, my friends, I want to talk about how to tease the girl the right way so you don't insult anyone and that you make girls attracted to you.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that.
So when I was trying to get my dating life sorted, when I was talking to all these girls, when I was talking to all these people, I always had these boring nice guy conversations that actually led to nowhere and the girls lost interest. So I was going in the internet, I was going to all these forums, websites, I was reading books, online courses, and there is this concept that you have to tease or nag a girl. But in the beginning, this can actually be like an insult for the girl. So you're insulting her instead of being cocky and funny and making her a good time. So in this video, I want to explain how to tease girls the right way, how to have cocky and funny conversations so she's getting attracted to you, that she knows that you're not some nice guy who is trying to do everything right, who is like too careful in the conversations, who is just making them a good time. So I have a few examples that are going to show you how to tease girls the right way and how this will work for you, and I'll explain you the principles behind it and what you can do and what you can say. Because I'm getting a lot of questions in my Facebook group, also of my coaching clients in coachings, where they ask me, so how do I actually have these edgy, funny and playful conversations with the ladies? So what you can do in the beginning is that you learn those lines to be cocky and to be funny, and then later it actually becomes second nature to you. So you will be the kind of person that is kind of flirtatious and funny and playful to everyone. And it becomes second nature, and then you become a naturally attractive man to the girls. So I have 7 examples, 7 pick-up lines or tease or nags or whatever you want to call it, to have more funny conversations with these beautiful ladies. So the first line, which actually works good in a nightclub because it's kind of funny, is that if the girl is dressed up like really nice and she's having a very unique dress, then you can say, "Oh, hello, I really like your dress. I think this girl right there is wearing the same." And then the girl will be like, "What? She's wearing the same? I'm not the only one here." And this will be really funny for her and for you as well. Then another one for you guys is that you actually ask her if she has dyed hair or if she has really nice nails. Are your nails real? Or is this your real hair color? This is really funny because almost every time the girl has dyed hair and they're wearing a lot of makeup and they're doing their nails, they're spending hours at the nail shops to get them done. So this is actually a good question, and then it will make the girl invest. She will be like, "Oh no, you know, I've done this nails at my nail shop and my nails are real because they're really long, or they're even not real." So this will make the girl laugh or even make her qualify to you. Then very often, also if you're getting a shit test and the girl is saying, "Hey, you are too small," and she's wearing high heels, then you can ask her, "Oh, okay, cool. How tall are you without your high heels?" Or, "Your shoes look very comfortable." You can use it as an opener or in the conversation, so it's giving a playful vibe around you in the interaction. Then the next one is a really funny one. I actually got this from Mystery. It's in the book Mystery Method and in the game, I think, and it's actually saying that you tell the girl, "Hey girl, I think you have a little lipstick on your teeth." And I did it a few times, and then the girls in nightclub, they actually went to the bathroom and they were thinking, "Oh my god, I have to go to the bathroom and I have to check if I really have lipstick on my teeth." Or they even take out their phone and take a photo of themselves to see if it's true. And this is really funny because sometimes, or it happens, that girls have lipstick on their nails. So this is actually a really good one to spike her emotions and give her a little cute nag. Let's say you're having a conversation with a girl and you're talking about her nationality and where she's from, and she's saying, yeah, I'm from Italy, I'm from Spain, I'm from Sweden, I'm from Serbia, I'm from Hungary, I'm from Germany. Then you can say stuff like, oh my god, my mom warned me about girls from Italy. And then she'll be like, oh really? Why? Oh yeah, because my mom said they're all very beautiful and they are all very dressed well, but they can't cook and they always look like really serious, and then you just make up some funny stuff. And this is really funny because you can also use stereotypes to say things about a certain nationality that is actually kind of funny for the interaction that you're having. So let's say you're starting a conversation with a girl kind of in an indirect way in a nightclub. I wouldn't go like super direct and say, oh hello, you're so beautiful, blah 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 blah. That doesn't work because girls get hit on all the time by guys, and it's better if you go indirect at a nightclub. So let's say you're in a conversation, she's showing interest, she's showing you that she likes you, she's standing there, she's talking to you, she's having big eyes, she's smiling at you. Then in the middle of the conversation you can just say, hey, are you always so hot or only today? and then she will ask herself, ha, that's funny, and then she will say something. But you can just throw it in the middle of the conversation, and this works so well because you're communicating that you don't really care if you're saying kind of risky stuff. You're not trying to play it safe, and then the girl will like you a lot more. So now I'm gonna give you the last one and my favorite one. I also do it to my friends. Like teasing people, being a little cocky, being a little funny is always a good character trait because it's showing that you're not taking yourself so seriously. And the last one is that you actually compare the girl to some cartoon, or compare your friends to some cartoons there are out there. So you can say, hey, you look like Bugs Bunny, you look like the girl from Crash Bandicoot, and then actually take out your phone and show her a picture of the cartoon you are trying to compare her with. And this is kind of funny because every human being has a cartoon that is actually looking kind of the same way. So you can say, you look like Snoopy, you look like Toad from Mario Kart or from Super Mario, you look like the Bowser, whatever it is. You can make up just funny stuff and compare the ladies with the cartoons, and this will show her that you are a funny guy. You don't want to be insulting, you don't want to be unfriendly, you just want to show that you don't take her too seriously, that you don't take yourself too seriously, and then the conversation will be naturally flowing, naturally fun. Like flirting is friction. So take my word and try out these lines, write them down, feel free to add some more in the comments, and then thank you for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe to my channel, let me know in the comments what you think or how you tease the girls, and then I'll see you in the next video, my friends. Thank you for watching.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplify deep inside once I